is a bed in my bedroom. There is a pillow
On
my bedroom.
on my bed.
On my bed.
Mhm.
There is a window between my bookshelf and my wardrobe.
Rak buku.
There is a desk beside my wardrobe.
Rak buku.
There is a bookshelf near my bedroom and my bed.
What else? Buku-buku.
There is a lot of books.
Apa there are?
There are a lot of books on my bookshelf. There is a lamp on my bedroom.